Okay, this video we're going to review how to find area of a circle, except this time we're going to use 22 over 7 for pi. So do the same thing we do always in class. First step is to write your equation. So our area equals pi times r squared. So our second thing is to fill in our information. So we don't know the area, so we're going to keep a. We know pi is going to be 22 over 7 times our radius. Okay, but if we notice in our problem, they gave us a diameter. Diameter goes all the way across. So in order to find the radius, you're going to take your diameter, you're going to divide it by 2, because 2 radiuses will equal 1 diameter. So 2 goes into 8 4 times. So our radius now equals 4 feet. So we're going to take our radius, 4, and we have to square it. So according to order of operations, we got to do our exponent first. So we got to do 4 times 4 to 16. Okay, so now our equation says 22 over 7 times 16. Okay, so we have a fraction times a whole number. So what we have to do, we have to change the whole number into a fraction. So how we do that is we use those 4 words we've said before. You put it over 1. So you're going to put it over 1. So now we have a fraction times a fraction. So how we solve this is we're going to multiply going across to get our answer. So our area now equals, so we got to do 22 times 16 first. 2 times 6 is 12, 13. Put your 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Add it up. Okay, so we get 352 on top. Now the bottom we gotta do 7 times 1, which we know is 7. So we get 352 over 7, which is improper. And we know in class you cannot have an improper fraction, so we have to divide to get an actual answer. Okay, so for every 7s are 35. We know there are 5 of them. Okay, bring down our 2. So now we decide, can 7 go into 2? It cannot, so we have to put a 0. So now we have to add our decimal and a 0 and bring this down and make this a 20. Now how many 7s are in 20? We know there to be 2 of them. Subtract. Okay, so our area, we can go ahead and stop there. We're not going to put our equal sign. We're actually going to put is almost equivalent to 50 and 2/10 feet squared. So it's not an equal sign, it's an equivalent. So it's somewhere, it's close to this answer we got. So that is how to find your area of a circle when you have 22 over 7 as pi.